Welcome to Top Tech 24/7. Today video about Oukitel WP17. The WP17, a new smartphone from Oukitel, has a battery capacity of 4 days of normal use or 1,300 hours of standby time, all while being drop and shock resistant. The WP17 supports reverse charging, which lets you to use it to wirelessly charge other Qi-compatible devices by placing it on the back of the device. It is great for outdoor adventures, not just because of its large battery capacity, but also because of its shock and drop resistance. In this regard, the WP17 comes with IP68 and IP69K certifications, which ensure that the gadget is protected from water and dust. It also has the MIL-STD810G certification, which is a common military certification that ensures the device's integrity in nearly any condition. It can submerge up to 1.5 meters deep for more than 30 minutes, making it suitable for pool and beach use. It can also withstand falls from a height of 1.5 meters. The Oukitel WP17 has a 6.78-inch screen with FHD plus HAA resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate, allowing us to watch videos and take photos in excellent quality. The screen has an aspect ratio of 18:9, making it excellent for watching widescreen videos without being bothered by black borders. The Oukitel WP17 is equipped with a MediaTek Helio G95 SoC, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. The octa-core processor is more than capable of handling CPU-intensive tasks. Extra RAM allows for greater multitasking and seamless switching between apps. With a 64MP primary camera, the smartphone offers detailed photography in addition to robust performance. It has the capacity to record in 4K while capturing all of the color details. A 2MP macro lens is included for photographing small objects with precision. However, there is also a dedicated night vision IR camera for industrial and personal use. The Oukitel W17 supports Android 11 and all of its essential features, as well as privacy protection measures. The smartphone's usability is improved by the attractive user interface. It supports global network bands in terms of technology, allowing for rapid switching to any network. GPS, Bluetooth 5.0, charging, compass, clever gestures, customizable key, and multi-language support are some of the useful features.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.